Hey everyone, and welcome back. Gearheads, rejoice! Today, we're setting our sights on a legend reborn, the 2025 Pontiac Firebird. Buckle up, because Pontiac is back with a vengeance, and this fiery phoenix is ready to take flight. Pontiac hasn't strayed too far from what made the Firebird iconic. The 2025 model retains that classic long hood, short deck profile, but with a modern twist. The lines are sharper, more aerodynamic, giving it an aggressive stance that screams power. The signature Firebird logo graces the front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that pierce the night. But Pontiac isn't just about looks. The Firebird boasts functional air vents on the hood, helping that beastly engine under the hood breathe easy. In the back, the iconic taillights, shaped like a soaring phoenix, are modernized with LED technology. It's a subtle nod to the car's namesake, a fiery bird rising from the ashes. Slide into the cockpit and you're greeted by a driver-centric haven. The seats are bolstered for those spirited drives, yet comfortable for everyday cruising. Premium materials like leather and soft-touch plastics create a luxurious feel. The instrument cluster offers a perfect blend of old and new. Classic analog gauges for essential information sit alongside a digital display that can be customized to show everything from performance data to navigation. In the center console, a large touchscreen infotainment system reigns supreme, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the latest connectivity features. Despite its sporty nature, the Firebird offers surprising practicality. There's decent rear passenger space for weekend getaways, and the trunk is enough for your essentials. Now, let's talk about the fire that fuels this phoenix. The 2025 Firebird boasts two engine options. The base model packs a punch with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, churning out an impressive amount of horsepower and torque. But for those who crave pure muscle, there's the legendary 5.7-liter V8. This powerhouse delivers exhilarating acceleration, pushing the Firebird from 0 to 60 in a neck-snapping time. But power isn't everything. The Firebird features a sophisticated suspension system that keeps you glued to the corners, and advanced driver assistance technologies ensure you stay in control, no matter how much power you unleash. Eagle-eyed fans will spot subtle nods to the classic Firebird throughout the car. The iconic Pontiac Arrowhead emblem finds its place on the grille, and the sleek lines echo the aerodynamic designs of past models. Even the stitching on the seats features a stylized phoenix feather pattern. It's a delightful touch that old-school Firebird enthusiasts will appreciate. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird is more than just a comeback, it's a fiery rebirth. It retains the classic muscle car spirit with a modern edge, offering thrilling performance alongside luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a nostalgic Pontiac fan or a new generation looking for a powerful and stylish ride, the Firebird is sure to ignite your passion. What do you guys think? Is the Firebird back with a bang? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.